Hey guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Wherever you are and when you're watching this, welcome to a new vlog. Thought of taking the bike out. Probably I should stop saying that dialogue because I'm not taking it out. I thought today was the day, finally, that I could test the GoPro out. And it's kind of hot and I'm heading for a cricket match. Been a while since I played cricket, almost 2-3 months I guess. Rohit Srujana playing, so just wanted to catch up. All my childhood, cricket was the only thing that I played. Like how much I'm vlogging now, in fact much more than that. From the age of 11 I guess till 16, I was getting up almost every day around 5:30, went for cricket practice. Every Sunday we had a match, and then we had these district, zones and state level matches. Oh boy, that was a fun time. I used to bowl leg spin. Still love watching anyone bowling leg spin. If we had YouTube at that point of time, oh man, it would have been such a game changer because I would have learned so many things. I miss playing cricket. I think 2016-17 I padded up a bit and played cricket, club matches locally, but then it was just not working out, going so far like till Moinabad, Chilkur to play matches. Cricket is another passion of mine that probably many of you guys don't know. Anyway, excited for the match. It's only tennis ball, but still with friends it's gonna be fun. And I thought, why do we need a bike to test the GoPro? And I have to wear shorts, as you can see. Can't ride the Ducati with the shorts. Pants I can manage, but shorts to tandoori fry, man, definitely. So I didn't want to take a chance. So I thought, let me actually try the GoPro inside the car, because this is how some of the automobile reviews or first impressions would be going forward. So I can see if the audio is good. And another thing is, I don't know how good this audio is till I start editing, because if the audio is not good, I don't think you would see this video. So hopefully it works out, because there's less clutter, less wires. I'm sure this can't be used on the bike because of the lack of waterproof nature of the media mod. I can still use it when it's decently hot, but the times we ride, rain can happen instantly and we don't want the media mod to be damaged. It's almost what, 7,000 kuch hua. Also, we would be doing few long drives in the Nexon EV, so I thought this would be a perfect test for the GoPro. In fact, next week I'm doing one. I've been checking few things online. You would know more on Instagram, so follow me on Instagram because that's where I post quicker updates. This is the Instagram ID. Once you start following me there, you'll have more updates on what's happening, much more quicker than YouTube. Also wanted to give one service update on the Nexon EV. So for people who haven't seen the last video, and for people who have seen but not yet subscribed first, please show some love and subscribe. Would be of great motivation to do better. The service bill for the third service was 0 because it's a free service. I think we have one more if I'm not wrong. And they did a small software update. One immediate thing that I observed after the software update is the range indication is slightly higher. I don't know if the actual range is better or not because I haven't completed a 200 kilometer cycle or a full recharge. Once I finish that, I would know, because right now at 90% it's showing me a range of 204 kilometers. That would equate to almost 230 kilometers of actual range. Typically the range used to hover around 200, not more than 210. If the range has increased, that is pretty good. On the efficiency scale, it's almost the same. Watt hours per kilometer is the efficiency scale that you get in EVs, like kilometers per liter. I know ideally it should be kilometers per watt hour, but it's ulta. The lesser you get, the better it is. Also, I was thinking maybe for these car vlogs, it might be better if we have 360 camera or that Insta 360, because what happens is I can show you both the road and also myself while driving. The only problem is the resolution. They say 5.7K, but it says that it's a 360 degree 5.7K. So when you crop it, it's not the greatest resolution. I know like 90% of you who watch the videos on mobile won't know the difference, but it's just that I want the best resolution possible, so that let's say 10-15 years later, if I see my videos, I want the best quality. The original Lay series is still in high quality. I'm assuming it's in 4K. I try to shoot it in 4K, but the problem in the first Lay series, not the recent one. So that's Lay 1.0. The recent one is Lay 2.0 in the playlist. Oh, talking about playlist, if you go to my YouTube channel, there are different playlists. So for EVs, automobiles, unboxing, DIYs, like that. So in the original Lay playlist, I had to do the editing on the phone. iPhone 10. Yeah, I edited that series on iPhone 10. It is not of the greatest quality till I reached Udhampur, I guess. After that, I loved the videos even now. I mean, obviously I would do better with practice. You'd be surprised that I've started vlogging since 2015. The channel's been open since 2015, vlogging since 2015. 6 years, may you think? Oh, this channel must be what, 1 million by now? No. I only started taking YouTube seriously since 2019 August. So the channel's pretty new, like literally 2 years old. The actual content is pretty new. Anyway, thanks for all of you who have been loving it. Chalo, bahut ho gaya. Time to play some cricket. How does it feel to have your star player back?
You'll be the joker, bro.
Abba? Call Aditya Parami.
Calling Aditya Parami, mobile.
Why tension?
Yo,
अरे बुल्ले
चक्रा
ఏడ తెచ్చినావు
స్టార్ట్ అవుతున్నా
జల్దీ రా
ఏ వస్తున్నావు క్రికెట్ కి
మరి వస్తే నేను కూడా రావాలి కదరా
ఎంతసేపు వెయిట్ చేయాలరా నీకోసం
అరే నువ్వు ఫస్ట్ స్టార్ట్ అవ్వు
నేను ఆల్రెడీ చేరిపోయినా గ్రౌండ్ ముందున్నా
గది గది చలో బాయ్
బాయ్ నీ ఆర్ట్స్ ఇది కాదు ఫిజికల్ కాపీ లేదా
सेम है కదా एंट्री करवाओ सर
हाँ ठीक है भैया लिखा रहा बोलाराम जा रहे हैं जब कहाँ हाँ नो वो
आए फर्स्ट टाइम వస్తున్నారా
अरे लोकल वेटर
in అంత షార్ట్ కట్ is it worth it to go through this route
వాడొక సెక్యూరిటీ గార్డ్ లాగా ఇట్లా ఇచ్చిండు గన్ పేలుస్తారా.
No, they obviously don't shoot. It's just good manners to step down and do the entries and all. But I didn't know about that, guys. Sorry. We have utmost respect for all the soldiers. Before you guys say I didn't give them good respect, please. Nothing like that. It's just that I don't know how the system works. And that's the first time I'm going through that route. Anyway, it was a great, fun experience playing cricket. That's it! That was a great moment when Kishore caught that unimaginable catch, and it was surprising for a lot of us, but good job Kishore. That being said, it was an intense match actually. Probably too intense for my liking, because when you play cricket or any other sport after a big gap, your body aches. Your body needs time to adapt again, so it takes 2 to 3 days to get back to normal. My upper back, my legs, in fact my left knee is slightly sore because I think the turf was slightly uneven. Nothing dangerous, nothing to be checked. It's just that these are typical body aches that you get once you play sports after a while. But it's just that my left knee is still not strong enough. That's something that I realize now. When you run in a park or something, you do a particular schedule, you concentrate on running and all, right? But when you're playing cricket, the focus is entirely different. You don't focus on where your foot is landing, how it is landing, etc. So that is something I should have taken care of, not pushed it. So that's another reminder for me to hit the gym and build some strength in the legs. I thought I was good enough because I was able to run 6 kilometers in 45 minutes or so. I thought I was getting better, but then the cricket session reminded me I still need some more strength. It's fine, nothing serious. I'll just wait 2 to 3 days and see if all the body aches are gone. If not, then we have to work something out. We're back on the Sony camera, so that's the GoPro footage. No comparisons. This is obviously much more expensive, much more sensitive to light, and we have an external mic. That's with the shotgun mic with the media mod. So let me know how you guys like the quality of the GoPro inside the car. It should definitely be better than Hero 6 that I had before. So check out the IPS review in case you haven't. That's where I use the Hero 6 inside the car. I'm happy with how the footage turned out. That's why I'm posting about it. So that's it for today's video. Hope you liked it. Let me know what you think in the comment section. And in case you're watching this at night time, have a good night and take care. Bye bye.